Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem. So there are some methods you can try this method and hopefully this method will improve your Windows system speed. So click on this search bar and search settings. Now here click on privacy. Now in general turn off these all options. Similar in speech, turn off this online speech, turn off this setting. So one by one you have to turn off these all settings. Only leave as a default, which is really you need activity history. If you don't need, so turn off these all settings. Location, turn off and clear. Camera, so turn off, and once you need, so come back here and turn on that particular time. And if you need to use and allow access to camera on this device, so you can turn off and turn on by just sliding on or off. And once you turn on, and if you are using any specific application or program, so turn on camera on that particular program. Otherwise turn off this one. Voice activation, turn off. Notifications, turn off. And there are some more settings you can check one by one and turn off that settings. Calendar, phone call, call history, email. If you need, so make on. Allow app to access your mail. Otherwise turn off. So once you guys turn off these all settings, so you will improve speed for your Windows 10 or 11 system. So thanks for watching, and this is the way you can fix and resolve Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.